There's a moment in your day that nobody sees. It's quiet, no noise, no pressure. Just you and the choice you avoid. You feel it, that small pull, to do something that actually matters, something uncomfortable, something that could change everything. But instead, you reach for your phone. Not because you want to, but because it's easier. Easier than facing the gap between who you are and who you know you could be. And that gap, it's getting wider. Not overnight, not dramatically, but slowly, silently. Every single day you choose comfort over growth. You don't notice it at first because nothing bad happens. You're still alive, still breathing, still functioning. But something inside you is quietly shutting down. Your standards drop, just a little. Your discipline fades, just a little. Your self-respect weakens, just enough that you can ignore it. Until one day, you look at your life and think, how did I get here? But deep down, you know exactly how. It wasn't one big mistake. It was thousands of small ones. Ignored alarms, delayed decisions, broken promises to yourself. You said you'd start. You didn't. You said tomorrow. You repeated it again and again until tomorrow became a habit. And now you don't even believe yourself anymore. That's the part nobody talks about. Not the failure, not the delay, but the moment you stop trusting your own words. Because once that's gone, everything becomes harder. You hesitate more, doubt more, avoid more. You start building a life you don't even respect. And the worst part, you learn how to live with it. You distract yourself. You normalize it. You tell yourself, it's fine. I'll figure it out later. But later never comes, because later requires action, and action requires discomfort, and discomfort is exactly what you've been running from. So you stay where you are, not because you're stuck, but because it's familiar. And familiarity feels safe, even when it's destroying you. Let that sink in. You're choosing a life you don't want because it feels comfortable. Not good, not fulfilling, just comfortable. And comfort, it's addictive. It keeps you just satisfied enough to never change. You don't hit rock bottom. You hover just above it, forever. That's the trap. Because if things were worse, you'd be forced to act. But they're not. They're okay. And okay is dangerous. It kills urgency. It kills growth. It kills the version of you that could have been something more. Right now, there's a version of you waiting, stronger, more focused, more disciplined. But it doesn't come automatically. It only shows up when you stop choosing the easier path. And that's where most people fail. Not because they can't do it, but because they won't face that moment, that quiet moment where it's just you and the truth. No distractions, no excuses, just a simple question. Am I doing what I said I would do? And if the answer is no, then you already know what the problem is. It's not time. It's not resources. It's not motivation. it's you. Not in a motivational way, not in a you got this way, in a real way. You're the one choosing comfort. You're the one avoiding action. You're the one repeating the same cycle. And until that changes, nothing else will. No video, no advice, no inspiration, because information isn't your problem. Action is. And action doesn't require feeling ready. It requires doing something, even when you don't want to, especially when you don't want to. That's the difference between people who stay stuck and people who move forward. One waits, the other acts anyway. So now, you're back at that moment, the same one, the quiet one, the one you always avoid. But this time, you see it clearly. No excuses left, no lies to hide behind, just you and the decision you keep delaying. So what are you going to do? Go back to comfort, or finally break the cycle?